So good day everyone. This is Berry of BerryUTrades.com. Today is July 5, 2024 around 8:42 p.m. Philippine time. So in this video, ang gagawin natin is to look at the current market's reaction with regards dun sa NFP data release and unemployment data release. So two high impact news na na-release today, July 5, 2024. So let's get into it. Tignan natin yung trading economics natin. 12 minutes past the data release. So NFP or non-farm payroll, lumabas siya kaninang 8:30 p.m. Philippine time. So higher than expected yung na-release, no? 206K yung lumabas, 190K lang yung expected. Higher than expected NFP data is considered as a hawkish news. It's kind of bearish for equities and even crypto. But yung unemployment rate, we can see that higher than expected yung data release. So lumalabas na mas dumadami yung nagiging unemployed, mas dumadami yung nagiging unemployed. So considering this as a bullish data, for equities and risk assets. Since, ayun nga, ang gustong makita ng market is a cooling economy, no, or a weaker jobs market or labor market. So, halos mixed yung data natin. So, NFP higher than expected. Unemployment tumataas din. So, consider this as a mixed data. Parang yung nangyari from the previous month, no? So, let's see ano yung nangyari with the markets right now, ano yung naging market reaction. So, starting with the SPY. So, actually up yung S&P 500 right now for the first 15 minutes, no, of the data release. Medyo nagkaroon ng indecision yung S&P 500 right now. So, let's see, no, at the open, ano yung magiging talagang sentiment ng market towards the data release. So, pre-market session, tapos coming from a holiday, 4th of July, talagang medyo mahina pa talaga yung volume right now. So maybe yung iba hangover pa, wala pa talagang volume sa markets right now. Same with the Qs, actually undecided din. Slight indecision with a bigger tail. So indicates more bearishness dito sa movement ng Qs this pre-market session. So we shall see as well ano yung maging reaction, no, in the Qs or sa Nasdaq 100 ETF natin. So mid caps, low volume movement, halos unchanged din. Same with our small cap index or small cap benchmark, yung Russell 2000 ETF na IWM. Although indicating some bullishness for the first 15 minutes. So that's IWM. Next, RSP. Same thing. Halos unchanged. Wala masyadong volume din. So, kinda medyo i-disregard muna natin yan. Yung ganyang movement. Same with equal weighted Qs, low volume movement. Pero down siya ng negative 1.32% this pre-market session. So, medyo may mga aggressive sellers tayo with the non-market cap weighted na index. So, yung equal weighted Qs kasi equal weighted yan. So, it includes all Nasdaq 100 names pero equal weighted siya. No? So, from the word itself. So, let's look at our macro benchmarks. So, tingnan natin yung US 10-year bond yield. So, moving lower, actually, that's good for stocks. That's good for crypto na nagmo-move lower yung US 10-year bond yields natin or US 10-year treasury yields, yung TNX. So, yan yung gusto natin. Declining US 10-year is good for equities and risk assets. An increasing US 10-year yield is bad for the markets. So, the bond market, this pre-market session is slightly pricing in, no, with regards dun sa current data release, influencer rate cut. May influencer rate cut. So that's our US 10-year yield. Tignan natin din ano yung mangyayari dyan end of day. So looking at the dollar index, so on a strong decline for multiple days. So this is good for equities as well. So this is serving right now as a tailwind for equities, no? Makikita natin a declining DXY is good for stocks. Kaya rin tayo nag-break all-time high, no? Yung S&P 500 natin and our Qs. So that's DXY. So let's look at our crypto markets. So medyo nagka-counter rally yung BTC. After its break below 57K. So let's see if it recovers above the 60K level. So, na-discuss ko to from the previous weekly briefing video na may possibility mag-undercut and rally tayo. Or pwede rin undercut, then pwedeng retest lang and then move lower. We don't know. Di natin alam, but given na slightly dovish yung current data release. Maybe it's gonna influence the crypto market to counter rally, no? So kita naman natin the current reaction, no, with regards dun sa NFP data release and unemployment data release. So yun lang naman, no. Ang goal ng video na to is to look at the market's current reaction or yung immediate market reaction, no. Looking at the SPY, the Qs, yung US 10-year, yung reaction ng dollar, pati na rin yung crypto markets, no. So expectation ko right now slightly bullish, no. Slightly bullish. Kita rin naman, no, with our equities na mukhang okay yung reaction niya. Wala namang sharp drop, wala namang tipong gap down, gap lower. Overall, we are still on an uptrend. We can see that we are still on a constructive uptrend. Prices above the 10, prices above the 20, and 10 is above the 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages. So, bottom line is risk on pa rin kahit papaano with mega caps. Since maganda yung movement ng SPY natin on the daily time frame. So, slightly cautious ako with mid caps kasi hindi pa rin niya nabibreak tong channel pullback na yan. Qs, slight risk on, or actually risk on ako with Qs. I have Oracle and other Nasdaq 100 name like Apple. I have Apple. With small caps, medyo risk off din. Slightly undecided pa rin yung market with the movement of the small caps. So even yung equal weighted natin na S&P 500 and our equal weighted Qs, mukhang wala pa rin tayong total commitment to go bullish on non-mega cap names. So money is flowing toward mega caps talaga right now. So tignan natin if masustain ng market yung optimism dun sa data prints. Okay, so see you on the next video. See you on the next high impact news data release. So see you, bye-bye, and God bless. Good luck on your trades. And happy weekend. Advance happy weekend. So if you like this video, please like this video. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section below. If hindi ka pa subscriber sa YouTube channel natin, please subscribe. It will be greatly appreciated. Mas mamamotivate ako to produce this kinds of videos, no, to give value to everyone. Yun naman yung goal natin in this channel, to give value to everyone. Ayun. So, if you want to learn more from me, you can go to beriotrades.com. May mga free resources tayo dyan and even free learnings. You can also avail my services if you like to. So, see you on the next video. God bless and goodbye. Ciao.